Hi, my name is Coleman Fang, and this is a call for volunteers for a capstone project to develop a web-based tool for analyzing feedback circuits using signal flow graphs. Now, feedback is used in many analog circuits, but can be a challenge to analyze. You can represent these circuits using a signal flow graph. And I won't get into the details right now, but these equations can be transferred to this signal flow graph. Once you have a signal flow graph, then you have the possibility to work and analyze the signal flow graph in an interactive way. So the capstone project is prototype at this point is at a state where a user can go onto the system, they can import a SPICE netlist, and the system will then generate a signal flow graph like this, and the signal flow graph allows you to look at the numeric values, but you can also switch to the symbolic values. And you can go back and forth. Throughout this process, the system can generate the transfer function. If you pick a particular input and output, it'll also calculate the transfer function, the loop gain, rational expression for the loop gain, and it will generate the Bode plot for the transfer function or the loop gain. And the loop gain is key to understanding the stability of the system through looking at its phase margin. We are hoping to create a system, a tool that will be interactive and help students and analog designers in industry better analyze feedback circuits. If you're interested, then please send me an email.